Hello, how are you doing? Hope you are doing well. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can add payment method on Patreon. Okay, the first thing, just enter to the patreon.com, and here there is a thing. For example, down here in the left, I have my member account and my creator account. To set your payment method, you have to be creator, okay? Because the member is I'm paying someone through Patreon, and creator is someone can pay me through Patreon. So the bank account we are gonna set on the creator section, okay? So here we are. This is my creator, and let's go to settings, and then here we can see billing and payouts section. To just click here, and we are going to find payout method, okay? And it says PayPal because I have already set my PayPal payment method. If we click in update, first question is what's your payment country? You see you have a lot of countries here, so just say your country. In my case it's Spain. And here, how would you like to get paid? Through Payoneer, payout fee is $1 per payout, okay, just $1. And PayPal, that I'm gonna select PayPal because I use more, but the payout fee is 1% of the amount transfer, okay? So for example, if you get $1 through Payoneer, you're gonna earn 0 because $1 is gonna be for Payoneer. But if you get $5,000, only $1 for Payoneer. In this case, if you get $1, okay, the amount will be 1% of $1. If you earn $5,000, the 1% of that will be so much. So I suggest you to consider the Payoneer payment method, but I don't have the account, so I just have to be PayPal. But here it says also the maximum is $20, so at least, okay, at least will be $20. We will log in with PayPal account, just click there. It says log in with PayPal. I will say okay, this is my account, and my payment method is done, so I will click save. And it says to protect your money, we will place temporary hold from paying your... Okay, this is optional, okay? As you see, the information is your choice. I will say, yeah, block payouts for 5 days and save change just in case. And it says tax status update. I'm not gonna do this. I will do it later. So my balance is 0 so far. Once we have a balance here, we can set withdraw, and okay, I have to complete the tax thing, but the payment method is done, okay? So I hope you like the video. Leave me a comment, subscribe for more, and see you in the next video. Bye.